Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot HUAWEI Mate Xs 2. Alright, so when it comes to the rebooting of this device, all you need to do is to simply open up the power menu, and we do it by holding the power button for around 3 seconds, something like that. So keep holding power button, just like that. Now as you can see, the power menu appeared. Now tap on the restart, tap once again, and now as you can see, within a second the device will be turned off, just like that. And now we need to simply wait until it gets turned on, and it will be done automatically. And when it does, your device will be ready to use. You can already see that the HUAWEI logo appeared. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.